to Golden Cloud Recruitment System. Today, in the second part of our journey through the account section, we are diving into the accounting report subsection. This subsection is a powerhouse of insights, and you will be amazed to know that it includes not one, not two, but four distinct subsections within itself. So join us to give you a comprehensive overview of the layers of this crucial feature, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage accounting reports for optimal financial management. Let's explore each of these four subsections, breaking down their functionalities and demonstrating how they contribute to the overall efficiency of your accounting process. So let's give an overview of the trial balance before diving into the key functionalities. This subsection will offer you with a snapshot of the financial standing by summarizing debt and credit balances. Here we have the account statement. This subsection will also provide you the comprehensive statements detailing financial transactions within specified accounts. Moving to VAT reports, this page will offer you with insights into value-added tax transactions for complaints and financial analysis. And the last thing we have is the worker expenses report. This subsection will give you details of the expenses related to each worker, facilitating accurate financial tracking. So let's begin with the trial balance. The trial balance subsection is like a snapshot of a company's money situation at a specific time. It's a crucial report that shows the final amounts in all the accounts listed in the general ledger. This helps us get a clear picture of how financially stable the company is at that moment. Our system offers a user-friendly interface with 3 fields designed to facilitate sorting and filtering, allowing you to directly access specific financial information for a chosen period. So at first, if you are managing multiple companies or offices and wishes to examine the financial status of a particular office, you can start by selecting the desired office from the company field. In this example, we will be choosing Kingdom. Following this, it's crucial to specify the time frame by entering from date to date. This step ensures precision in retrieving the financial data relevant to your chosen period. So let's click on this field and choose any random date from the small calendar. Once these criteria are set, simply click on the filter button, and then the system will conduct a search for all the financial information within the specified time frame. So upon the completion of the search, a comprehensive table will be presented to you. So let's begin within the first column of this table. Basically, this column will display the account number in the chart or tree of accounts, providing structure overview. The next thing that we have is the account name. Basically, this will be as a clarity on the nature of the financial element. You can here browse the name of the accounts. Here we have the name of the insurance company. Here we have the name of the bank. Here we have the sales value added tax, and so on. Additionally, the table will furnish information such as the currency associated with each account. Here we have the nature of the account type, and here we have this part. It's about the numeric data. Here we have the opening balance creditor, the opening balance debtor, and so on. So this intuitive system allows for a streamlined and efficient exploration of financial data, enabling users to swiftly assess and analyze the financial standing of a chosen office within a specific time frame. The structured presentation of information in the table ensures a clear and organized overview, facilitating informed decision-making and financial management. You can also download this comprehensive table with 4 different formats. All you have to do is to click on this action button, choose download, and then you will be presented with 4 different formats. Choose the one that suits you the most. Account statement is a financial document that provides a summary of transactions, balances, and activities related to a specific account over a defined period. This statement is commonly used in businesses, also in banking, credit card companies, and other financial institutions to keep account holders informed about their financial activity. Here is an in-depth explanation of this subsection. So the account statement is a comprehensive record of financial transactions within a specific account during a given time frame. It includes details such as deposits, withdrawals, purchases, interest earned or charged, fees, and the closing balances. This statement offers transparency and allows account holders to track their financial activity and monitor their account's overall health. So let's begin by defining or identifying the specific company for which you want to generate an account statement. If there are multiple companies, choose the one you're interested in. So we will be choosing Kingdom as a company. Afterwards, you need to define the particular account for which you wish to generate the account statement. This could be a bank account, expense account, or any other account type within the system. So let's go and choose Riyadh Bank. And here, of course, you have the option to choose the date range or a specific period for which you want the account statement. This helps in narrowing down the transaction to the desired time frame. So here you can see this comprehensive table containing all the details and all the necessary and essential informations. Here we have the date, the type, whether it was a payment voucher, received voucher, or a transfer. Here we have the reference numbers, the details, the debtor, the creditor, the balances, and other important informations. So by following these steps, the users can efficiently generate account statements, providing them with a clear and organized summary of financial transactions for a specified account and a time frame. This process enhances financial visibility and support effective financial management within the system. And of course, here you have 2 options. You can export this comprehensive table in Excel or print it also. And if you want to download this table in different formats, you can go to this action button, you click on it, and then you choose download, and you can select from these 4 formats. Here we have PDFs, Excel, HTML, and CVs. So this is everything about the account statement subsection. VAT report is a financial document that provides a detailed summary of value-added tax transactions within a specific period. This report is essential for businesses who are registered for VAT, as it helps track VAT-related activities, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. So the first thing that you need to do is to identify the company in the case if you have multiple ones. In this example, we will be choosing Kingdom as the Saudi office or the local office. You can notice that here on the VAT report subsections, we have 3 parts. We have VAT on incomes, VAT on recovery, and VAT on expenses. So when you choose VAT on income, this table will appear to you containing all the details and information related to the VAT. Here we have the invoice number, the request number. You can see that whenever you click, for example, we will click on the invoice number 4, the system will automatically transfer you into the invoice form so you can check the information quickly. This also goes for the request number. When you click on any of these numbers, it will transfer you automatically to the request form. Moving here to the invoice date, the invoice type, here we have the company tax number. Also here we have the total amount with the tax and here without the tax. And you can see that the system has already calculated everything for you in this table. So understanding the generation of the VAT report is crucial for businesses to manage their tax obligations, ensure financial transparency, and make informed decisions based on VAT-related activities. Also here you can see the VAT on expenses. All the VAT on expenses will appear to you. Here we have the voucher numbers, the date, the payment method. Everything is well detailed in this subsection, and you can browse all the essential informations. And of course, here you can have this filtering options. You can choose the invoice type. As I said before, that we have multiple types of invoices. We have recruitment invoice, supplier invoice. Here we have also the service transfer invoice, and so on. And of course, if you have a lot of informations here in this table, you can locate the information that you want by uploading these informations here, and then press on the filter button. So in the Golden Cloud recruitment system, this report serves as a valuable tool for users to maintain complaints and gain insights into their VAT-related financial transactions. So don't forget also that you can download any table that you want by clicking on this action button, choosing download in here, and you can download this table in 4 different formats. So this is everything about the VAT report subsection. Workers' expenses report serves as a deducted subsection to provide a direct and a comprehensive overview of expenses associated with workers in the external offices. For Saudi offices, ownership of the external office itself grants access to this subsection, facilitating the monitoring of expenses related to each worker. So for example, if you are managing multiple external offices and wish to have a direct look on certain expenses for a specific office, you can utilize the company field. All you have to do is to click on this field and all the owned and related external office will appear to you. We only have one in this example, which is White Diamond. After that, the system will automatically generate a detailed table for us, as you can all see, offering insights into the expenses incurred by each worker associated with the chosen office. So let's begin here within the first column, which is the worker's number. This is the worker's stock, but in another vocabulary. For example, if you click on any numbers, the system will automatically transfers you into the worker's form itself. As you can all see, here we have the basic information, additional skills, experience, and additional attachment. This is in the case of the decision maker want to have a quick overview of the worker's information all over again. Here we have the worker's name, the passport number, the status of each applicant, the agent. We can see that in this example, we only have one applicant that actually have an associated agent. Here we have the external company, kingdom, which is the Saudi office. The currency, here we have dollars, which is the used currency within the external office. Here we have the expense amount, and here we have details. You can notice that only one applicant does actually have an expense, and the rest of them, they doesn't actually have ones. So in the case if the worker has expenses, this button will appear to you so you can browse all the related expenses. But since that these 3 doesn't actually have any expenses, or we didn't actually upload payment vouchers for them, the detailed button will not appear to you. So when you click on this detail button, the system will present you with all the expenses that have been spent on this worker. Here we have the number. Here we have the worker's name, the agent, the voucher number. Here we have the voucher status, expense name, pre-medical, the currency used for this expense, the amount, and so on. So when you click on the voucher itself, the system will transfers you automatically into the payment voucher form. So you can check and see all the informations. Here we have the payment method, cash and bank, accounts, debt and credit. Here if you want to check the attachment, you want to see the receipt and so on. So basically this seamless transition allows you to gain an immediate and thorough overview of the specific payment details, facilitating efficient and informed financial management. By offering a user-friendly interface and streamlined access to detailed information, the Workers' Expenses Report subsection empowers users to monitor and analyze workers-related expenses effortlessly, ensuring transparency and facilitating prompt decision-making. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on the Golden Cloud recruitment system. If you found the information valuable and would like to stay updated on more tutorials and insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any additional questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. You can also contact us through the provided numbers in the description. We value your feedback and we are here to assist you. Stay tuned for future guides where we will continue exploring and optimizing your recruitment processes with Golden Cloud Recruitment System. Your success in recruitment is our top priority. Thank you for choosing Golden Cloud, and we look forward to being part of your recruitment journey.